Here we have this 18 plate BMW 430i M Sport. Comes with the Glacier silver exterior paintwork, LED headlights with the kidney grills in black in the centre. We've also got the front splitter at the bottom, which makes this front end look nice and aggressive. We've got front and rear parking sensors with an in-car display, 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels with the M Sport suspension behind and the M Sport brakes and the calipers in blue, side skirts running across the bottom, privacy glass at the rear for the passengers with the black trim around the outside, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors with the colour-coded shark fin antenna up top. We've also got the black spoiler on the tailgate just there. As we make our way to the rear, you can see we've got the twin exit exhaust to the left hand side with the diffuser at the bottom and the parking sensors running across the middle of the bumper. Now this vehicle does come free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So as we take a closer look at the interior, you'll be able to see we've got the two seats in the back with the all black leather and Isofix points with the armrest in the centre. We've also got the same styling front seats at the front. Both of these seats are heated and electrically adjustable with a memory function on the side just there. We've also got the electric windows on the door, premium Harman Kardon sound system, automatic lights with the automatic wipers and the multifunctional steering wheel. Taking a seat inside, turning this vehicle on, my foot is on the brake, press the start button, and as you can see on the dashboard we're free from any warning lights. We've got the cruise control and speed limiter with the paddle shift on the left hand side, and we've got the volume button and the paddle shift on the right hand side. We've also got the satellite navigation on the screen in the centre with the DAB radio and the Bluetooth media, and we've also got the Bluetooth phone connectivity. If we just go into menu and onto connected drive, manage mobile devices, and across you can see that this vehicle does also have Apple CarPlay. As we make our way down, we've got the dual climate control, we've got the heated seats on both sides with a heated rear window. We've also got the cup holders just here and a space potentially to put your key on the top there. Automatic gearbox with the different drive modes. We've got the handbrake, the dial and the buttons for the screen as well. And we've also got the armrest here, and as you open it up we've got a space for a USB and some accessories in there as well. Now I'm just going to pop this car into reverse, and as you can see on screen we've got the sensors just there. Popping it back into neutral, making this vehicle safe. Now I'm just going to press the different drive mode buttons here, so it will come up on screen the different drive modes in which this vehicle can be driven, and it does also show up on the dashboard as well, and it does change the way that it is formatted as well. Now that's all I'm going to show you guys today. For more information on this vehicle you can head to the website or give our sales team a call. This car comes with a fresh MOT and a fresh service and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.
Video test drive of this BMW 430i M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives exactly as you expect it to. As you can see, I'm now to fire the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not there enough to the left or to the right hand side, we're staying straight and true. Now we do have the multifunction steering wheel, which has the paddle shifters on either side, so if you did want to stick the car into manual mode, you can simply tap all the paddles and it will change gear. We do also have the speed limiter and the cruise control on the left hand side. We've got the volume buttons and the Bluetooth phone connectivity just here on the right. Digital dashboard in front of us, which can show at different displays. We also have the premium Harman Kardon sound system in this vehicle. It really does sound incredible, and if you do listen carefully as well throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we also have the full leather interior throughout the vehicle, really comfortable seats, easily do 2, 3, 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. We also have plenty of other features on the interior, with the main screen just here in the centre, which is currently showing the sat-nav, but also has plenty more features that you'll have seen on the photos. Below there we do have the dual zone climate control for the front. We have the air-cooled air conditioning as well, perfect for them hot summer days. We do also have the automatic gearbox as well with all the different drive modes. Now in a moment we are about to take a right hand turn onto the industrial park, where I will perform an emergency stop, put the car into reverse just to show that the brakes and also the parking sensors work as they should do. So put our right indicator on now, we'll start to slow down, wait for the traffic to pass, and then we'll make the right hand turn now onto the industrial park, and I will perform an emergency stop in 3, 2 and 1. Hard onto the brakes, put the car into reverse. Parking sensors appear on the screen, back into drive with no issues whatsoever. And if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.